Yeah, let's say I had told to solve sum number 3 at home. Uh, as I told you, it's a very important problem. And let us solve the problem. A very, very comprehensive sum. Question number 3. How to calculate subscription, or rather how to prepare subscription account. They may ask you this sum for around 6 marks. It is that such a nice problem. What amount will be shown in the receipts and payment account and final accounts in relation to the subscription for the year ended 31st December 2004 in the following case? Subscription in arrears, subscription in advance. Information: subscription outstanding as on 31st December 2003 represents 60,000 for 2003 and balance for 2002. यानी outstanding subscription है ये at the beginning of the year. Subscription in arrears, members still paying, that means outstanding, as on 31st December 2004, that means at the end, represents 54,000 for 4 and balance for 3. Okay, opening में previous year का था and last to last year का था, और closing में current year का है और previous year का है. लास्ट टू लास्ट ईयर का नहीं है क्लोजिंग में, इसका मतलब लास्ट टू लास्ट ईयर का जितना भी बैलेंस था ये साल रिसीव हो गया रहेगा. There were 1,460 members and each member is supposed to pay a contribution of 100 rupees, that is subscription, as on 31st December 2003. Opening. On 1st of January 4, 60 membership were cancelled. Why? Because out of those 60, 20 members were such who didn't pay anything after 2001, and they also didn't wanted to continue the subscription. 40 members who paid only up to 2002 and didn't want to continue the membership. It is a practice of the club to write off the irrecoverable subscription in the year in which the respective membership is cancelled. And that's all. इतना ही है सम. चलो लेट्स डू इट. पहले डेटा को अच्छी तरह से हम लोग टैबुलर फॉर्मेट में जरा देख लेते हैं, खास करके सब्सक्रिप्शन आउटस्टैंडिंग. एट द बिगिनिंग कितना है? 98,000. It consists of 2 years. कहाँ पे? A adjustment 2002 and 2003. मैं थोड़ा सा ये साइड लिख रहा हूँ. 2002, 2003. 2003 के लिए दिया है 60,000, तो मुझे ये पता चल गया 98 में से 60 माइनस किया तो ये 38,000 आया बैलेंसिंग फिगर. ठीक है, और अभी बोलते हैं आउटस्टैंडिंग सब्सक्रिप्शन एट द एंड. $74,000. $2,004 and 1,003. ओके, इसमें क्या बोला है? बी एडजस्टमेंट 54,000 तो 20,000. ओके, ठीक है ठीक है ठीक है, इतना तो आ गया, इतना तो पता चला. फेयर इनफ. और मुझे मालूम है हर एक मेंबर ने 100 रुपीज पे करना. फिर और भी क्या बोला है? As on 1st January 4, there were members 1460. On the same date, cancel 60 and no new joining. So for the year 40 क्यों लिखा है 4 for 2004 the members are now this were the data. If you understand, frankly speaking, the answer is very simple that how much is the subscription income during the year. So the answer is very simple. In one liner, since there are 1400 members and each member is paying a subscription of 100, that means 1,40,000 will be your membership in subscription income of the year. ये तो ठीक है, this is very clear, but how it comes via accounting? Okay, now we cancelled 60 members. Why we cancelled 60 members? Because their subscription income was pending from them, okay, since long, and they are saying that we don't want to continue, so we will not pay. So who are those 60 members? Of 60, 20 members, adjustment number D, 20 members did not pay anything after 2001. So their income was, their membership subscription was pending of 2 as well as 3. Write off how much? 20 into 100, that is 2000 year also and 2000 year also. Then there are 40 members also who did not pay, uh, who paid up to 2002, so they did not pay for 2003. 40 members, so 4,000. So this much is written off. This much is written off. So now out of this, now you can see in the closing subscription, 2002 figure is not there. That means out of 38, 2000 is written off and balance we have received cash. We have received cash 36,000. And in 2003, 60,000 was there, out of which 6,000 got cancelled, and now 20,000 pending. So here how much I received? 60,000 minus 6 and minus 20. So that is how much? 34,000. 60 minus 6 is 54 and 54 minus 20 is 34. 34 we have received. Balance 20 is here. So we have received 36 and 34, which is last year and last 2 years. Total is 70,000. We have received outstanding of the previous years in the current year. Okay, fair enough. And now we can easily do our stuffs. Subscription account. In subscription account, it's income nominal, so there will be no balance. I don't know how much is received in the current year, and that is what exactly we are supposed to find. But if you remember, it is here we come by bank. Then here I come, it's 2 outstanding at the beginning. Here I come. Here it is 2 outstanding at the beginning. So here it will be by outstanding at the end. Then to advance at the end, and here by advance at the beginning. And here we write to income and expenditure account. And if I get all the answers, I will close and I will find my bank. This time I have to find this figure. Okay. Rest of the figures are given to me. Like since there is 1400 members, each paying 100, that means total income is 1,40,000. So this is 1,40,000. How much you received in the current year of the beginning? Of the beginning, I received 36 plus 34. That is 70,000. We received in the current year. Advance at the beginning was 6,000 and advance at the end is 8,000. So here there is no adjustment at all. In the previous sum, adjustment was there with respect to advance at the end, but here there is no adjustment. Okay, because they did not give us the detailed instruction with respect to 6,000 and 8,000. So we assume whatever was the advance at the beginning, that is for the current year, and whatever is the advance at the end, that is for the next year. So now if you check outstanding at the end, how much is outstanding at the end? Outstanding at the end, how much is the current year subscription outstanding? So they have given 54,000. So 54,000 is outstanding. So now if you check out in subscription account, there is only one figure pending, which I can get from a balancing figure. So let me do it. 1,40,000 plus 70,000 plus 8,000. That comes to 2,18,000. Subtract. Okay, subtract 6,000. Subtract 54,000. That comes to 1,58,000. I can find out from an other way also. Let me see, like, if you are understanding a little bit mathematics, simple mathematics, out of 1,40,000, 1,40,000 was supposed to be your income. 54 you did not receive only, which is outstanding as of now. And 6,000 you received in the previous year. Okay. So how much you received for the current year? So very simple, 140 minus 54 minus 6. So that comes to 80. I received for the previous year, I received 70,000. And for the next year, I received in advance 8,000. So adding this three, it should match with 158, else we are wrong. So 80 plus 70 plus 8, that comes to 158. Exactly, it is very, very correct. Okay. What did I do is, frankly speaking, sir, I did that shortcut. What is the shortcut? Receipts and payment account. Add. Two things will be added. Two things will be subtracted. I get my income and expenditure. Now, let us find out what will be added and what will be subtracted. Sir, outstanding at the end is added and outstanding at the beginning will subtract. Okay, then advance at the beginning is added and advance at the end is subtracted. Okay, chalo, we'll do now. How much is current year's? Current year is 1,40,000. Outstanding at the beginning, outstanding amount of the previous year, how much you received in the current year? 70,000. How much is outstanding? Advance at the end, advance at the end is 8,000. Advance at the beginning is 6,000. And now, how much is current year's outstanding? Current year's outstanding is 54. You go reverse calculation, your minus है, you add it up, and those addition you have to subtract because you are going ulta, you are going reverse. So reverse, when you go reverse, the sign gets opposite. 140, 1,40,000 plus 70,000 plus 8,000 minus 6,000 minus 54,000. So that comes to 1,58,000. Okay, I have made subscription account. They can say if make, what they say, if they make, tell us to make outstanding subscription. Since it is an asset, because it is outstanding income, it's an asset. So here I will write to balance brought down. How much is the opening balance? Opening balance is 98,000. How much is the closing balance? Closing balance is 74,000. Now, out of 98, we received how much? 70. See here, I have written. And written off. We have written off. How much we have wrote off? We have written off how much? We have written off here. Here we have written 2000, 2000 and 4000. Total 8000 we have written off. Okay. And how much is outstanding for the current year? Still it is outstanding. Actually, when whatever you receive money, we don't write bank. Here we write subscription. 54 is the current year's outstanding. Check it out. This will tally because we know everything. 98 plus 54, that is 152. Let me check. And 70, then 84, and then 74. Oh, I'm sorry. Why I have written 84,000? Actually, it is only 8,000. So now let me check it out. 98 plus 54 is how much? 152. 152. The similar, it should match here also. 70 plus 8 plus 74. 152. It matches. So this is your outstanding subscription account. They can ask you advance subscription also. Advance subscription account. Okay. Buy balance. Opening was 6,000. It goes to subscription. And we got how much? From subscription, we got 8,000 this year. So that will come as balance. And this also tallies with 14,000. So please write down the entire problem. Okay.